I lost my parents 11 years ago, and life hasn't been easy since. Between losing them, COVID, and menopause, and everything that came with it, it's been hard, emotionally and physically. They had moved here to our little homestead so we could be closer and help each other. And I know I'm not alone in this. It's the experience we all will eventually go through. But I still hear my mom say, "Think positive, Kathy." Well, I'm trying, Mom. I haven't done this in a long time. I thought a lot about my dad and my kids, and I feel really grateful that we used to do this together. And I didn't really know how it was gonna feel coming back out here. I have this one big tree that we nicknamed Giant Johnny, and it was enough to do a small batch for the whole year. And I was thinking, how cool is it that I can make my own sugar from my own property? Even though I still go to the grocery store, I just really love being self-sufficient when I can.
What are you guys doing? Hi!
I think of my mom when the robins return because she used to call me every time she saw the first one of the season. The ducks are excited about the thaw.
Little bobbins. Bobbity, bobbity, bobbity.
Crap! That's the second time that's happened. Oh, she leaking. Okay. Shoot. Okay. It's a typical March in Ontario, Canada. It's warm, then it snows, then it rains, and it's freezing rain. It's a running joke around here. And it can't make up its mind, but we need that for the sap to run. And things start to get monotonous. I can't remember what day it is anymore. I'm letting the ducks in, I'm putting them to bed, I'm letting them out again, I'm putting them back to bed. I can't wait till spring, like real spring with flowers. We built this coop, oh geez, 15 years ago? And it's really cute. Me and the kids painted when they were little, a little tree. Don't look there, yuck. And we made a little farm scene. And then it snowed again, because of course it did. You can't trust March.
Sorry, duckies. It's yucky.
just stops, like nothing even happened.
Well, now I gotta get this way over there without spilling it. I had the lid, but it's not fitting. So this should be interesting. Hi. What are you doing bobbing around? You come to say hi? Oh, somebody's jealous. Time to take them down.
When we finally have enough sap, then it's time to boil it off. Now, normally you do it outside, but I've got such a small batch, I do it inside. There's something really comforting about it. Makes you feel close to the earth, and in my case, my parents. And when it starts to boil, as long as you got the fan on, so your house doesn't get all humid, the whole house smells really good.
It's bedtime. He's trying to tell her, but she won't listen. There she goes.
These little guys help, and same with the cats. Which you'll eventually meet, I'm sure.
Oh, bitch. You guys coming?
You know, I really thought about this maple syrup, and I thought, you know what, I want to turn this into my mom's maple custard pie. I haven't made it since she passed.
Not long now. Hey, Mom.
My mom used to make this every single year. And I never really thought about how much work went into it. I just knew it was yummy. Until I tried doing it myself. I mean, honestly, how long did it take to tap the trees and collect the sap and boil it down? And now I'm making a pie? Oh my gosh. This maple syrup was frozen. It's not super thick. She used to make homemade pies, homemade pie crusts. She did that a lot. She taught me how. But I don't know, I've just been really tired lately, so I'm using a store-bought crust. Oopsie. So it wasn't perfect. It wasn't as thick as hers, kind of runny. Well, my mom's was definitely better. I wish I could call her and ask her what I did wrong. The last few years have been a lot. think I got really disconnected from the things that used to make me feel like myself. And if you're going through your own journey, I'm really glad you're here. See you next time.